So here we are with my two favorite chefs today.
Take the L.
We're not taking the L, we're taking the P for pancakes.
Grandma.
Yes.
Can we do the heart shape? We can do shape.
Today it's just a casual weekend vlog. We are making some pancakes and going outside and doing some planting.
Oh.
Sea
salt.
Sea salt.
Sea salt.
Right now.
Sea salt.
Do you remember what this is here?
No.
Sound it out, BJ. What's it start with? A B?
Why Ava can't do one now?
Because her reading isn't where your reading level is. What's the sound like? Look at the label. B-A is bay.
Bay. Bake.
Baking.
Powder.
Yes, baking powder. Good job. We had a very full holiday weekend, and I'm so happy that they got a chance to come and visit. We love to cook together, and of course I try to sneak in some math and some spelling, but it's really just an opportunity to spend time together, and we get messy, and that's okay. And they also get a chance to learn how to follow a recipe and to measure things. 1 tablespoon.
I got it.
Oh, okay, smooth it out. Are you okay? You smooth it from this. There you go. Good job. Okay, now toss that in there. Okay, good job. Then you're going to use your finger.
Can I quarter over VJ do it?
Hold it. Here, hold it. That's not full, honey.
That's not full, VJ.
Okay, now smooth it. Don't you go from the back? Yep. Okay.
Yep.
One more.
More.
Oh, I see. It's getting empty. Okay. Good job. Good job. So the two little chefs and the grandma got busy mixing together all the rest of the pancake ingredients. And everybody did a really good job of stirring and stirring and stirring until we got our pancake batter ready. We needed the energy because we had a big day ahead of us getting our garlic ready for the spring. Now there were a few mishaps with our pancake making. But eventually we got that egg in the bowl and there were actually pancakes and chicken nuggets. Perfect brunch. Now it's time to get outside and get some fresh air, walk the dog, and have some fun.
Cool rock.
Whoa, one hand? Here, Vanda, do it one more time because I wasn't, Oh.
I got the booty.
Okay, so today we are out here in the garden. I got two little helpers who are very interested in digging, which is good. We have this whole section right here, all of this, which was our garden patch. And as you can see, it's very overgrown. We'll see what we can do today. You can put it, you can toss it all over there. Yep, where Evander tossed hers. Toss it to, yes, exactly. Now clean out, yes. We want to get down to the dirt because that's where we're going to plant our garlic at. Okay, I'm starting to see patches of dirt. So it's definitely starting to look like a garden area, right? I don't think you need to do all that with your little shovel, BJ. My helpers were doing a great job, but then I guess they decided to take a break and go get in the wagon. But look at our rectangle garden. It's coming together. Look at those cuties over there. Look, here we are. Yes, that's good. You're showing your work, Evander. Look at this whole rectangle is clear. And now, let's see, what you got in your hand, BJ?
Garlic! And we have a shovel to dig!
Mm-hmm.
Garlic, garlic.
Pull one out. Oh, let me look in the bag.
Garlic. Garlic, guys.
Okay, good garlic. Good garlic.
Probably be right here.
To eat?
The deer didn't do nothing to them.
Well, people, you know, that's how people used to get their food a long time ago. You hunt and eat what you... Food didn't always come in the grocery store. So it is deer hunting season here, and had to explain the sound of gunshots that were going on. You all did a fabulous job. We have a nice...
Look at it. Look at the hay. We spread it all out. We're going to do the after picture.
This is the after picture right now. I am so proud of them. And now we have garlic for spring.